Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video I am going to show you how to make an advanced responsive header in a WordPress using Elementor by simple techniques so that it is accessible even in multiple devices like desktop, tablet and mobile, and it is easily customizable. So let's check it out. So this is our header design that is completely made using Elementor. So if our website has a good content and good design but isn't compatible with the different devices, the search engine will ignore this website and won't give it much importance, because they want your website to be compatible with every devices so that users can easily engage and use them. Okay, so here I have added two menu instead of one. Okay, the first one is main menu, as you can see here on the top right corner. Okay, and below you will see the category menu where I am showing 9 to 10 categories. Okay, and at the top at the left hand side I just placed a logo, and just beside it there is a search bar, thus followed by this main menu. Okay, and if you see on the right hand side, just beside this category I have shown two icons. The first one is a cart icon and the second one is a user icon, just to make this header little bit complex. Okay, so overall the design is looking nice and stuck and without any functional or any kind of errors. Okay, so when I switch this mode to tablet, so how it will look. So let's change this view to the tablet view. Okay, for that just right click on the this page. Okay, and just scroll below, click on the inspect. Okay, so after if you click on inspect, you will see the screen. If your screen will not have the width for the tablet, just type here the 800. Okay, so it will convert this into the tablet. So this is the tablet dimension. Okay, you can type 720 or 800. Okay, now so this is the tablet view. So here you will observe that the menus or the menu items from this top section and this bottom section are completely disappeared, and instead of these menu items I have replaced them with this hamburger icon and the filter or the category icon. Okay, so as soon as I click on these menu items, the window will appear. Okay, so let's click on both icons. So let's start from here. So when I click on this category menu, okay, so you will see a nice window is appearing from the left to right. Okay, and here I have shown all the categories. Okay, this is basically a complete menu section. Okay, and when I click on this close icon, the window will disappear. Okay, and again when I click on this menu icon, you will see another window will open, but this time the menu items will be different, like home, blog, shop, contact us, about, etc. Okay, basically this is the menu main menu items. Okay, and below it I have shown a nice search bar over here. Okay, and just below it I also shown some social icons, as you can see here. Okay, and when I click on this close icon, or you can just tap outside this window, it will also disappear. Okay, so this is the tablet view and it's working well in our tablet view. Okay, now let's switch this tablet view to the mobile view. Okay, I will set this 800 to 400 so that our view will be switched. Okay, and this is the mobile view. As you can see, the placements of our icon, a logo and this hamburger menu and rest of these icons are similar with our tablet view, except the one thing, which is the search bar. The placement of the search bar, okay, in the mid of these two elements will not make any sense. Okay, because already the screen size is very less and it will be very congested over here. Okay, so that when I click on this hamburger menu, you will see the menu and the search bar. Okay, So users can easily search from here. Okay, and similarly when I click on the category menu, the category list will be appear. Okay, so our header design is completely responsive. Okay, and the search engine will also like our design because our website is compatible with the multiple devices without any errors. Okay, so this way we can make a website responsive so that our mobile or the tablet users don't face any difficulty. I will show you how to implement all these things using Elementor from the scratch in this video. So get comfortable in your seat without any delay. Let's start the tutorial without wasting any time. So before proceeding to the actual video, let me introduce some points that I am going to implement in this video. First of all, we will install the basic theme. Then we will install the required plugin, that is Elementor and the Pro Elements. Then we will create the two menus. One will be category and the second will be our main menu. Then we will create header template in the theme builder and we will make it compatible for the desktop, tablet and mobile. Then after that we will create the pop-up for the category menu, which will act as a sliding menu for the header, and we will create another pop-up for our main menu. Okay, and finally we will connect these two pop-ups to our header elements. So let's jump into our WordPress dashboard. So here is our WordPress dashboard. Now if you are from the India and looking for a web hosting for your website, I would recommend you to go with this Sophie host. Okay, I have been using this hosting for more than 2 years and have rarely seen issues like server timeout, and very few times my website were down. When you look at their hostings plans, okay, like a shared hosting, WordPress hosting, cloud hosting, they have very nicely divided their plans. Okay, so the users can easily understand so which hosting should I take. Okay, so if your website or the business is small, then you can go with this WordPress hosting, and if you want the fast and reliable hosting like the cloud, then you can go with this cloud hosting. Okay, and if you see their plans, they have nicely arrange their plans if you want the plan for the one website, then this is the light plan, and if you want one website with unlimited storage, then you can go with the smart plan, and if you want more than one website like 3 website, then you can use this value plan. Okay, and inside the large plan you will have unlimited website and unlimited SSD storage. Okay, so if you just start your blog or you have the small business, then you can go with this WordPress plans. Okay, and the main thing that these web hosting providers provide the SSD storages for all of your plans, and also they offer the light speed web server, which is the fast. Okay, and indirectly your the load time of your website becomes less. Okay, and if I talk about the support and services, so they provide these servers and support through the email, and also they provide the support through the WhatsApp. Okay, and they try to solve your issues as soon as possible. Okay, so you can get this hosting in less than 2000 rupees. I will put its link in the description, you can check it out. Okay, now, so first of all we will install the basic theme. Okay, now go to themes, click on the add new theme and search here Ocean WP. we always need the basic theme to be installed on a WordPress server. Okay, just activate this theme. Okay, our theme is activated. Now we will install the required plugins. Now go to the plugins, click on the add new plugin, type here Elementor. So here is our Elementor website builder. Click on the install now button. Activate it. And just close this window. After that we will require the theme builder. Okay, so here you can see that all are locked. Okay, so don't worry, to unlock these all the elements we need to install the one more plugin, that is the Pro Elements, so which will unlock all the advanced feature of the Elementor. Okay, now just go to the plugins, click on the add new plugin. So right now I am not using the Pro Elementor Pro because that is very expensive. Okay, instead we can use this Pro Element plugin. So click on the upload and choose file. I will drop the link of the Pro Elements in the description. Okay, just install it. After that, click on the activate plugin. Now, so we have Elementor and the Pro Elements installed. Now, next we have to just create the menus. Okay, so right now just click on the appearance and go to menus, and we will create here menu. The first one will be our main menu, and this will be a main. Okay, now we have to add the elements, okay, or the menu items for this main menu. So I will add the custom links. First one will be our home, not home, we will create the home as a page. Okay, so first one will be let me check our previous website. I will copy the okay, so first is a blog, and inside this URL we will add the hash. Okay, click on the add to menu, then we have a shop, then contact us and about us. Okay, now click on the save menu. We will create a home page. Okay, so click on the add new page. Home, and select the default template as a Elementor full width, publish it, and close this. Just refresh it and click on the view all, or you can check this home and click on the add menu and just make it at the top of the all elements. Okay, and click on the save menu. And now we will create the another menu, that is the category menu. Okay. So we don't need to check any boxes from here. Okay, so first one is a world, entertainment, astrology, finance. Okay, let's add these links one by one. Okay, we have added all the items inside our category menu. Now click on the save menu and we have our two menus ready. Now after that we have to create the header template, okay, inside our theme builder. But before that we have to just set our home page as a default page. Okay, right now if you see our home page is not set. Okay, so we will just change its home page and we will set the home page our default page, okay, that we have created recently, and this all will be gone because we just have to create our header template using our theme builder. Okay, so we don't need this anymore here. So let's remove this top bar, okay, first. So click on this customize. If you don't remove the top bar, it will look like this. Okay, in the previous I just forgot to remove this top bar, as you can see here. So this time I'm going to remove it. So here you will see a top bar. Just click on it, go to general and just check it, and the top bar will go away. Okay, and click on the publish. Oh sorry, also we have to change the default home page. So we'll also go to this home page setting and just click on the static page, okay, and then select the home page. And just publish it. Also you can remove this title, so just go to general options and here page title, and you will see here just check on the hide on all devices. Now everything is fine, just click on the publish. Okay, just close this window. Now let's check it. Okay, so we just remove the topper and our page is set as a default home page. Okay, now let's go inside the templates, and there we will click on the theme builder. Okay, from here now you can see that our all the elements are unlocked. Okay, now click on this header and so just close this window. We are going to create our header from the scratch. Okay, so close this and this also. Now just click on the add new container, and here just select the this 3-column container. Okay, as we have the 3 columns, the first for logo, second for the search bar, and the third one for this main one. Okay, so select it, just give some padding from the top and the bottom. We don't left any padding or the margin from the bottom because we have to set another menu. Okay, so left it as it is. Okay, now in the first just make sure it is a full width, and the width must be in the units of the percentage. Okay, so in the first we have to just set our logo. Okay, so we haven't set our logo yet. Now go to this customize, and there you will see the header. Just scroll down below. Okay, and here you will see your logo. Just click on it and select the logo. keep cropping. Okay, and click on the publish. Don't worry about its size, we will adjust this size inside our Elementor header. Okay, now close this window. Let's refresh this page once. Okay, just save draft as. Okay, now just click on the site logo or the search for the site logo here, and here is our site logo. Just drag and drop. Okay, now select its width as 10 or 20. We will keep its width as we will extend this its width. Okay, so that the search bar will fit like this. So this is the 20. Okay, and this could be okay. I just left it on the 50% because you have to just add the main menu here. Okay, okay, we just made a mistake over here because we have to just enclose this column inside the container. Okay, so later on we can easily duplicate this header and we can make a responsive in our multiple devices. It means that we can hide that container in the desktop and visible in the tablet and the mobile device. Okay, so let's do that. Just drag and drop the container here. After that, just drag this column inside it, and as well as so let's make it, or you can just directly delete these columns. Okay, now make this direction the row horizontal. Okay, after that we will just duplicate these columns and we will set the column width as in percentage units. Okay, so the first will be our you can set it to 15. Okay, and let's set it to 20%. Okay, and this could be 60%. Okay, just delete this logo, and the final last will be 40. Okay, 40, and keep it as a 10. This is a 40, is 50, and the middle one will be 50%. Okay, that's it. Now we have to add, let's resize this logo. And make sure the alignment must be in center. Okay, so you can justify the content center. Okay, and also the justify all the contents of the column center, vertically center. Okay, now we have to add the search bar like this. Okay, so just search for the search form. Okay, after that just select the scheme to minimal, and let's decrease the size a little bit. Okay, after that go to style and change the background color to white, and select the box shadow. After that just set the position to insert, and here you can set horizontal 1 and change the opacity of the color a little bit light. Okay, Okay, now we have to add the first menu, that is the main menu. In the last column, just go here and search for the menu, drag and drop this WordPress menu. Okay, and here instead of category, set the main menu. Make sure you have to create the menu already, okay, so that it will become easy to manage these menus. Okay, and here you will see the okay, we don't need to change anything in the background. Okay, and just move this to the right hand side. Okay, now we have to adjust the padding first, horizontal padding. Okay, like this. Okay, and we change its font. So go to a style, typography, and select the toggle condition, and also will increase the size. Okay, 18. And we'll change its color a little bit dark. Okay, we'll make it a little bit dark. Now we have to just change the hover effects. So go to the hover and select the text color, select the color code that you have. Okay, and here I just set the color, hover color, like this. Okay, right now I'm going to change the hover color. So first of all, you need to just remove this kind of hover effect. Okay, here inside the content you will see the underline. Okay, so just set to it text. Okay, and here none, animation is none, or you can grow. Okay, set the grow. Now go to style, and inside the hover just change the text color as a. Now paste the code that we have copied from the source. Okay, now if you want to use this color throughout your template, then make it a global color. Okay, so I'm going to name it as a 1. Now we have to just cut down the extra space so that we can extend this search bar till there. Okay, so select this column, and here you will see the width is actually set to 14%. Now we'll decrease its width. Okay, after that we will increase its width. Okay, here, so this is decreased by 16%. We will increase here by 16%, that is 64. Just adjust the padding. Okay, now it looks good. After that we have to just adjust the size of this icon, make it a little smaller. Okay, now we just complete the first part. Now we'll move on the second part, that is our category menu. Okay, so to create that, first of all we need to add the another container inside this main container. Okay, so just drag and drop the container and just put it over here. Okay, now we have to add the another container. Okay, for these two icons, so that we can duplicate the container. Okay, and just select it and make sure the direction must be horizontal, and just duplicate this container. Okay, and set the container width to 40%. Okay, let's set it to 40%, or you can also set to 30% also, and make sure it is a full width. Okay, and also this is the full width, and this could be 70%. Now just copy it and paste here, and set the direction or align this menu item to the left hand side. Okay, and select the main menu as a category menu. Okay, now select this column and just decrease its let's set it to 20% and increase its width. Okay, now let's set the background color of this column or container. Just select this point container and just go to the style and set the background to like this. Okay, and let's change the color of the menu items. Let's increase a little the padding of the horizontal padding a little bit. Okay, now we have to add two icons over here. Okay, so just for that, just go to here and elements and select the elements icon. And from here just go to style and just adjust the size. Okay, and just select this icon and go to advanced, and we have to just remove the extra margin from the bottom. Okay, like this, and just make sure the width of it must be inline. Okay, now let's set the now let's justify the content in the center. Okay, vertically center here as well. Okay, now set the icon and just click on the icon library or search here for the card. Okay, I am just uploading from the stock. You can download the icon from the other website and upload here. Okay, now go to style and let's change its color to this. Also we have to add another icon, that is a user account. Okay, now just make sure this column's direction is set to horizontal. Okay, now click on it and duplicate. After that you will see some additional margin from the bottom. Let's remove this, go to advanced and just okay, let's change the we actually have to remove the bottom margin, the extra bottom margin from this menu as well. Okay, so select this menu, go to advanced and just uncheck this, and here you will see the margin. Okay, so adjust it until it touches this the words. Okay, also from the top. Okay, that's it. Now select it and go to layout and adjust here in the center. Okay, Now align these icons to the right hand side. So select this and just make sure justify content to right. Okay, now let's left some margin from the right hand side. Okay, now it is exactly aligned with this menu. Now let's change the this icon. Search for the user. So let's change the sizing of the icon a little bit. Okay, 24. Okay, that's perfect. Now select this main container and go to advanced. Here you will see the padding. Now just type here 0. Okay, all the default padding that is applied within that container will be removed. Okay, so it's looking fine now. After that we have completed our header design. Okay, all the elements we have placed properly. Now the second part we have to just copy this whole, or we have to duplicate this container. Okay, once to make it accessible in the tablet and the mobile devices. Okay, so just right click here and click on the duplicate. Okay, now we have to make the first one is visible in the desktop view, and the second will be visible for the tablet and the mobile view. Okay, later on we will create the slider menu for these icons. Okay, for our complete header. Now just click on here, click on the edit container and go to advanced, and you will see here the responsiveness. So select it and just hide this for the tablet portrait and the mobile portrait. Okay, so when and make sure if you, and also we have to make this visible only for the tablet and mobile. So go to advanced, and there you will see the responsiveness, and just hide this on the desktop so that it will hide on the desktop and will be visible in the other devices. Okay, like this. And if you just switch the mode to the tablet, you will see our desktop menu is hiding up. Now let's make it properly aligned, and let's redesign this tablet view. Okay, now we are in the tablet view. Just select this container, and here you will see the WordPress menus. Okay, so we have to just remove it. It means we have to just completely delete. Okay, now here the logo is very small. Just let's adjust the size of this logo. Okay, so increase the size a little bit like this. Okay, now we have to reduce the column width for this last one. Set its unit to percentage, and also you have to change the unit to percentage for the rest of the columns. Okay, now this is the 10%, and we will make it 80%, and this will be 10%. Okay, and okay, now you will see here the hamburger menu as well. So just delete this also, we don't need it. Okay, and let's adjust the top margin of this container. We have to just make it a little closer near this row. Okay, so select this and untick this, just adjust the margin from the top side. Good. Okay, first of all let's add the icon of the category and the hamburger menu over here. Okay, so again just copy this icon and paste here, and just change the alignment to the left hand side. Okay, adjust the margin from the left side. Okay, now change the icon from the icon library. Okay, so here I will use this kind of icon. Okay, you can use another if you have. Okay, after that I will just again paste the same logo over here, and this time I will use the menu icon. So this library don't have the menu or hamburger icon. Okay, we got this hamburger icon. Okay, so select it and adjust this alignment to the right hand side. Okay, so let's adjust it along with this icon. Okay, now it is properly aligned. So you will see there is a much gap in between these two rows, so we have to just remove these gaps. So for that, open this navigator, and here you will see the container. Okay, so we have to adjust the margin of this container. Select it and set. Now it looks good. After that we have to increase the size of this search bar. Let's increase a little bit. Okay, let it go. Okay, now we almost done our static part. Okay, our category logo is ready, or icon is ready, and hamburger icon is ready. Now let's change to the mobile view and let's how it looks. So in the mobile view it is looking like this. So this is very weird, it's very weird. So let's change its design and the layout. So for that we need to remove this search bar from here. Okay, basically we are going to hide this search bar in the mobile view. Okay, it will remain as it is in the tablet view and the desktop view. Okay, but in case of mobile we are going to remove this. Okay, so for this let's select this column, go to advanced and go to responsive and just hide on the mobile portrait. Okay, now it is completely gone. After that we have to just set the width of this column. So this could be 50 and this is also 50. let's check if it is automatically arranging or not. So it could not arrange it automatically. Okay, now just select this column and just reduce the column width. Okay, now it is aligned properly. So let's change the width of the icon, and we'll align this icon to the left hand side, and we'll align this icon as well. Okay, now both are properly aligned with these items. Now you will see that there is a gap in between these icons and this footer menu. So we need to align this with the same, or we need to make these three icons in line with each other. Okay, so for that we need to adjust the width of the columns. So select here, go to advanced, and you will see a pixel. You change it to width, and also change your px to the blue percentage. Okay, now select it and set it to 40%, and here just change the direction to the row horizontal. Okay. That's it. So I just adjust the column width. Okay, and change the direction of the that container row to the row horizontal. Okay, so right now we have completed the designing part for the desktop and the tablet, okay, and the mobile view, and we 90% complete our work. Okay, it is nicely responsive. Now you can see that it looks good at desktop view. It also responsive in our tablet view and also in the mobile view. Now we need to add the functioning over on this hamburger and the category menu. Okay, means we have to create the slider menu for these two icons. Okay, so let's start creating those menus. So it's gonna be a very interesting part. So just follow these steps, and you can easily design your customized menu. Okay, so here in dashboard, just go to the save templates, or just click on the pop-ups and select here add new pop-up and name it as a main slider pop. Close this window. Okay, so this is the workspace for our pop-up design. Okay, now you will see a settings icon over here. Just click on it, and here you will see the px. Okay, so this is a unit, so let's change it to the VW. Okay, so VW means viewport width. The meaning of this setting the 90 viewport width is that the pop-up will just occupy the 90% of the page. Okay, and it will keep the empty, and it will automatically keep the empty space in the remaining area. Okay, that is 10. Okay, so just set the height to fit to screen. Okay, and we have to adjust the entrance animation. So here if you select click on this center animation, you will see the list of animations, okay, of different behavior. So I will just use sliding left. Okay. In the exit animation, I will use slide out left. Okay, so it will give a nice sliding effect when we will click on our hamburger menu. Okay, and also change the animation duration to 0.5. okay, now go to style and we'll change the background color of this pop. So click on the background tab and select the color. Okay, right now we just add this as a global color. We need to add one more color over here, so just copy the hex code and click on it, paste it, okay, and add this, or you can create a new global color. So I'm going to name it as a 2. okay, after that we have to just add the title. So this is a main menu. We will left some margin from the top side and also from the left. Okay, let's change the color of the menu, this main menu header. Okay. Now let's add the menu items. So for that we need to add the menu widget, that is WordPress menu, and just drag and drop over here. Okay, or just instead you can directly copy the, so that we directly copy this menu. By doing this we can save a lot of seconds to designing, for the designing. Okay, from designing process, and just copy here. So just adjust some settings for this menu, like we have to change the layout to vertical, and here alignment will be at the left hand side. Okay, and we'll change its color. And we'll also adjust the margin from the right hand side, so that it will align with this menu title. Sorry, we have to adjust the left hand side. Okay, now let's change the animation for this. Okay, our animation, and we have to set it none, breakpoints. Okay, so go to style, and here you will see the pointer, text, and animation none. And here just go to style and let's just change the size of the text, and also we'll adjust the vertical padding. Okay, now it's looking good. After that we have to add one search bar here, and then we have to add the social links. So for the search bar, let's copy the search bar from here, okay, and paste here. And we have to just remove the effects that we have done, like box shadow. Okay, so remove this box shadow and go to select this and go to advanced and change the width. So I'm going to set its width to 70%, and also we'll left the margin from the left hand side. Okay, now we'll add some social links just below it. Okay, our main menu pop-up is ready. Now just click on this publish, and here you don't have to add any conditions, so just save and close. Okay, now go back and just refresh it. Okay, first of all don't forget to update this page, otherwise all efforts will be lost. So make sure it updated and refresh this page once. Okay, now let's connect the this is in the final step. We have to connect this pop-up. Okay, so here on this hamburger menu we have to add the slider menu for the main menu. Okay, so click on it and just go to content. Here you will see the dynamic tags, so click on it and just scroll below. You will see that a pop-up, and here just click on this this setting icon and search here main menu pop-up. So you will so it will suggest you the template that we have already built. Okay, so this is the main slider pop-up. Just select it and just click on the update. Now let's test our header whether it is working or not. Okay, so this is the menu. Now let's switch to the tablet view. Here you have to set the width 800. Okay, now just click on it. So our slider menu is working well. Okay, now we forgot to change the color of this close icon. Okay, so just click on the outside, it will disappear, and again if you click on the icon it will again disappear. Okay, and let's change it to the mobile view. So when I click on the menu, you can see that our menu is working nice in this mobile phone as well. Okay, so let's change the color of this icon, and we will build another menu for the category. Okay, then we'll end up this video. So just close this window and go to the templates, and here you will see the pop-up. Just okay, there is no option for the duplicate. We will again create the another pop-up. Okay, and we will just copy the content or the styling of this pop-up into our new pop-up. Category menu slider. So create template. Just close this window, and I already told you the process for designing the pop-up. Okay, so let's do it fast. Now just copy this whole thing and change its title as a category menu. And here we don't need the search bar and also the social links. So we only need to change here the category menu instead of main menu, and to change the color of this close button icon, you can go to style, and there you will see sorry, just go to these settings and you will see, now go to style and there is a close button, change the color. Okay, also you can adjust this size like this and publish it. After that, go to the header template. Here just refresh the page, and switch to the tablet mode. So this is the icon that we have to make it functional. Okay, so go to the content and go to the dynamic tags. Okay, and here select the pop-up and just type the pop-up name. Now select the category menus ladder. Okay, and just update it. Now let's test our header. Just enter into the tablet view or the mobile view. Okay, so here our both menus are ready. Now let's check it one by one. So first we already checked this menu, it's working well. Okay, and after that this is the category menu, so let's try it. So this is also working well. Okay, and here we can also set the styling for these close icon. Okay, or you can also change the close button here. Okay, and almost you can customize your menu in according to your needs and your design needs. Okay, so in this way you can easily make your website responsive, means that compatible for the multiple devices like tablet or the mobile. Okay, and without any limitations, you can easily custom your menu as well. Okay, so in this way you can design and customize your menus, or you can also customize your header as well. Okay, to make it compatible for the multiple devices. So this was for the today's video. In the next video I will be back with another interesting video. Till then, goodbye, take care.